So this is my kitchen. I didn't clean it up for my photo shoot. You're gonna have to deal with that. I just wanted to show you that I made my kitchen table and my cabinets out of metal. Well, mostly metal. There's a little bit of wood in there. I'm just gonna show you around. This is my kitchen table. It's a 5x10 welding table. Well, it was an old welding table. I'm not allowed to weld on it anymore. Someday I might have to. We'll see how that goes. If I ever need to weld inside my kitchen, I've got a welding table. I left it rusty. It was old rusty welding table top that I found and bought. Put it up here. I made the bottom. So I used some cedar boards and flat strap. Lots of square tubing and angle iron. And I clear coated the whole thing when I was done. Got this beautiful welding table for my countertop. I think it's the nicest table in the world. These are my cabinet doors down here. I made them out of wood and metal. I might not be the best cabinet builder in the world, but I built my own. Over here, I made all these cedar cabinets. Down here, though, is my favorite part. My countertops are all steel. I left them rusty. I left the grinding marks. I didn't do nothing fancy. Well, I mean, to me it's fancy. I did buy the sink. I got this drawer going on here. I got these cabinet doors here. That rusty old plate there. Got some drawers and space over here. Some more cabinets. My fridge snuck in there. Then the whole deal, my metal carries all the way around. Framed it out in metal. I made the top cabinets all out of wood because Mama was getting anxious. I was in here for 3 months building all this stuff, welding and grinding in our house. She wanted me out. So probably a good idea. Got me on other projects. Made my backsplash here behind the sink out of pieces from an old wood stove. Oh Christ, I'm gonna get in trouble for that. Throw that over there. I just wanted to show you I got old Ben Franklin up there, a piece of an old wood stove. There's my backsplash or kicker plate. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what that's called, but that's what I did there. It wasn't made in China, and you can't buy it at Home Depot. I made all this stuff myself because to me that's what's important. I want my environment to be a product of me, for better or for worse. I don't pretend to know what I'm doing, but I did all this.